Hello everyone, welcome to Newsline. Global goo-goo, what baby talk sounds like around the world. Story highlights mothers around the world consistently alter their voices when talking to their babies. One study found how babies babble back to their parents might vary by culture. We all use baby talk when we babble with bundles of joy, but does how we talk to infants vary across cultures? The answer seems to be yes and no. Some cultures talk more or less to babies, some not at all, said Mark Van Dam, assistant professor of speech and hearing sciences in the Elson S. Floyd College of Medicine at Washington State University. Overall, however, the impulse and act of infant-directed speech seems to be pretty human, not necessarily culturally defined, he said. Here is a sampling of how moms and dads from around the world use infant-directed speech or baby talk, and why.